At 38,000 kilometers, I have to change the front bearings. Here are the parts, 2 bearings and 2 seam rings. Check out this sound. And now you can hear, here you can feel some vibrations and the strange noise caused by the wear of the bearing. And just check out the rust inside. It's from the water, of course, from washing it with a pressure hose. I'm 99% sure about that. You can see it for yourself. Take a look at the bearing after 30,000 kilometers, and the other one with the rust, on the sides. Now we're preparing the new ones, the new bearings. It's quite important to use grease, of course. Now some grease on the seam rings and on the bearing side. And the final step for the bearings to fit better to each other, we are gonna tighten up a little bit harder. In this mode, the bearings will be much better fitted together. And now the rotation, it's so smooth, it's perfect, and no vibrations. Very nice. So as a conclusion for the front bearing, what actually brought to this situation for the front bearing to finish at 38,000 kilometers? One reason could be that from the beginning it didn't have enough grease on the bearing. The second reason is that it had condense inside, so maybe if you keep your bike outside and during the winter, during the summer, during the hot days, inside it creates some condense, and basically this goes to rust, and the rust will eat up your bearing. And the third cause, in my case I think this was it, washing the bike with the pressure hose and putting a lot of pressure on the sides of the bearing, on the simmer rings, and water will go inside, and as you could see, the rust inside was quite a lot, especially for the left simmer ring, you saw it. So I highly recommend that you don't put pressure hose on the bearing and keep your bike as dry as possible. Bye bye.